My name is Jace Baz. I'm Egyptian American. Last year, I escaped the United States to save my life after being warned that I was going to die in the United States. I have been tortured through sleepless nights and exposure to sound waves, and I survived an attempted murder disguised as a staged car accident. This accident was planned, organized, and executed by U.S. intelligence agencies aiming to eliminate me. It occurred after I complained on X that I had been denied legal services for 1.5 years. As I sought asylum in Sweden, my passport was confiscated, I was tortured with sound waves, stalked, harassed in Sweden. My interview had an additional silent lady that was in control of my interview. I was gaslighted, stalked, and blocked from seeking asylum in the UK. As I attempted to seek asylum in Qatar, I was smeared to the staff at Doha Airport. A delegate from the Foreign Ministry questioned my faith, which I have not spoken about, and was certain that I smoke weed, though I do not smoke cigarettes. The United States government engaged in an act of transnational repression, tortured me in Sweden, blocked me from asylum in the UK and Qatar, and cooperated with the Egyptian counterpart to eliminate me. I was isolated and barred from labor in the United States and the Middle East for 4 years by now. I survived my second staged accident in Egypt immediately after I filed my torture case publicly with the United Nations, where my bones got broken again for the second time. I lost many of my teeth and suffered broken bones after my staged car accident in the U.S. As I sought asylum in Norway this time, I was expelled for not defying the United States' status that it is a safe country when it is not a safe country for me. Since 2016, my marriage to the U.S. citizen was a planned, organized, and complete operation by the U.S. government, represented by its intelligence agencies, to persecute me in the U.S. I repeat, my marriage to the United States citizen in 2016 was a planned, organized, and complete operation by the U.S. government to extract me from Egypt and persecute me in the U.S. The U.S. intelligence agencies cooperated with the Egyptian counterpart to assassinate my character with smear campaigns. They hacked my devices, stalked me, harassed me, isolated me, and barred me from labor to eliminate me. I do not hate America or Egypt or Israel. The United States intelligence psychological operation to manufacture a hate crime has failed. Both governments, the US and Egyptian, cooperated together to eliminate me, and both countries are not safe for me. I hereby declare that after I survived the staged car accident in the US, after I survived physical assassination, the U.S. government engaged in a psych operation to assassinate my character to eliminate me. The U.S. government engaged in an act of transnational repression outside its borders. I hereby declare the U.S. government, represented by its intelligence agencies, operated multiple psych attacks to eliminate me. I hereby declare that both intelligence agencies from the United States and Egypt worked together so hard to eliminate me. The United States, my country, is not a safe country for me. I repeat, confirm, declare, and recognize that the United States government attempted to eliminate me more than once, persecuted me for the past 9 years, tortured me psychologically and physically with sound waves, and it is not a safe country for me. As such, I expect no further efforts from the U.S. government to influence our allies to block me from protection and force me back to the United States. I repeat, I do not expect the U.S. government to continue to exercise diplomatic pressure on foreign countries to deny my protection to maintain the safe status of the United States. The United States, my country, is not a safe country for me. The United States, my country, is not a safe country for me. I expect to be left alone. If I am not meant to have a life in the US or Egypt, I expect both intelligence agencies and from both countries to stop targeting me for elimination and not to block me from any further attempts to seek protection outside their borders.